I'm on our way to Cancun. Say what's up, baby.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm in Cancun, Mexico. We're actually doing this like adventure day or whatever. We got ATVs, we got zip lining, we got horseback riding, we got a lot of stuff. So I'll be taking you guys through my day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. And we live. Sheesh.
You sure I'm safe, bro? Alright.
Oh, hell no. Alright now. Oh man.
Man, watch it. You gonna be good.
No, I'm scared. I don't want to do it.
Go?
Yeah. Can he go before me?
Okay.
Because if not, I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Hey, if I don't yell, that means good, alright?
Okay. You can do it.
Iesha paling back.
Okay. Not bad.
That's a cuchi cuchi. That's an extra age tequila.
Red.
Extra añejo.
Okay.
Extra means extra. We call it all night long.
The cool part about this place is they give you food. Food. They will feed you. So this is what we eating. Got some chicken fajita right here. Got some rice, some beans, some motherfucking sauce. We got some tortillas right here. If I can take it off. And everybody got a plate. We all eating. All eating.
Nobody's starved.
Why they coming from the name of the Woman Island?